Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics that actually matter. Check System software to update the console. Once updated, go to Settings Notifications and enable the notification types you want. Make sure your status is not set to Do Not Disturb and you appear online to friends. Also verify individual app/game notifications are not disabled. You do this now so the rest of the process tests live notification delivery rather than chasing configuration mistakes. Once done with basics, focus on network and account settings that affect alerts. In Settings System Power Saving, enable Stay Connected to the Internet and allow turning on Ps5 from network so notifications arrive in rest mode. Open the PlayStation app, sign in, and allow push notifications on your phone. This mirrors console alerts. Check your account privacy and parental control limits that can block messages. Finally, test with a simple friend message to confirm delivery and why each change matters for routing notifications. To complete the fix, perform maintenance and isolate variables. Rebuild the database from safe mode to resolve software hiccups. Once done, test notifications again. If problems persist, try logging in with another PSN account or use a different device to see if the issue is account-specific. You can also sign out and back in, reinstall the problematic game or app, or clear cache by power cycling. One key troubleshooting tip: if mobile push still fails, check your phone's notification permissions and battery optimization settings first before deeper reset.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.